If you are still struggling with your trading or your forex trading, or if you just need some motivation, this video is meant for you. Do not give up. Do not give up. You do not know what lies ahead. If you feel or if you see yourself doing a trading or forex trading for the long term or in the near future, do not give up. Don't let the setbacks of today dissuade you from pursuing this as your career. In today's video, we look at the life of FX God Andy, a South African based trader, how he turned his life around using forex trading. You can see from the pictures, he started where most of you probably are, with nothing, broke, and no name to himself. He was not even famous. But today, through trading, he actually managed to turn his life around. He even says that 2017 he was just nobody. 2018 he actually started a gig where he would impersonate Michael Jackson. And 2019 he actually ventured into modeling after many people said he probably would succeed as a model. And then 2019 he also started taking trading as a career seriously. That's where he started putting in the work. That's basically as of making this video just about 3 years ago. Then he started putting in the hard work, honing his skill, sharpening his craft, and today it has gotten him where he is today as one of the most recognized South African traders and forex mentors in South Africa. He used to be with FX God's Trading Academy, a mentorship program in South Africa, and they had a fallout. We are not going to go into that in today's video. And he basically went out to strike it out on his own and has founded another mentorship academy for forex trading, which is called Providence FX. What this video is meant to do is to just motivate you to not give up, that it's possible if you do not give up. If this is what you really want, it's possible to see the same results. Put in the work, learn as much as you can, practice, find your edge in the market, and yours will also be a success story. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, continue watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.